Hello everybody. So it's me, Vanessa Nicole. I know it's been a while since you've seen me, but I'm here to tell you that today I want to share a little bit of my house decor that I've been doing around the house. Slowly but surely everything is coming in to, everything's turning out how I want it to. I kind of finished my computer desk, so I wanted to share that with you guys, and then I wanted to share a little bit of some of the things that I've been purchasing and where I've been buying them at, and just let you guys in on that because I've been finding some really cute stuff for the house. We still haven't found like our perfect couch. It's been a while, I know. I think we've been in this house for like 6 months now, and we're just not sold on any of the couches that we've seen. They're all super expensive and the quality is junk. So we're continuing to look, and then once we buy our couch, we're gonna buy our kitchen table as well. Those are like the two main things that we don't have. Other than that, we have everything else. We have bedroom furniture, console tables, TV. Oh, we also need an entertainment center. So I'm gonna share a little bit of that with you guys today. But before we get started, I do want to say that I am back now that I have a computer. Oh, hell no. Excuse you. You're so rude. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. Get away. You guys are being very rude. So where was I? I do have a computer now, so I'm finally able to edit videos, which I haven't tried it out, and I'm super excited to try it. Not only that, I now have a computer where I can do homework on. When I start nursing school this year, I can do all of that on my new computer, which you can kind of see in the background. So yeah, before I get started, I do want to say, give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, because I do have a lot of videos coming your way. And let's go ahead and jump into the beauty room. So this is the door to the beauty room, so I'm gonna open it. Ta-da! Is it in focus? Yeah, it's in focus, but let's go ahead and brighten it up. Hello, boss. How are you today? Okay, so when you walk in, this is my beauty room. Please forgive me because this side right here is not completely finished. I still am purchasing some storage units for that side, so we're just gonna cover it up because it's a huge mess. But this side, on the other hand, is so beautiful. I love it. I got the little basket detail with some blankets in it. And then we have this cute little planter, candles, of course, Bath and Body Works. My desk, I got it yesterday and completed it. So this is the pull-out desk where you can actually push this in and out if needed. And that allows you to either add some more space into your room, or you have some more workspace, which for this side, I'm planning on doing homework on this side. Look at how far back it comes out. It comes out quite a bit. But I'm planning on doing homework on this side. I was planning on setting my printer up on the side, but I just didn't like, excuse you, I didn't like the way that it looked. Stitch, you need to move. I didn't like the way that the printer looked on top of it, so I'm just gonna leave it like that for now. My computer that we got, we bought it off of Jason's friend. He built it, and this is just like a normal TV screen, but then this part, he built all of this. So when you turn it on, watch, let's turn it on. This is the power button. It has the neon lights all throughout the inside, which is really cool. Again, this he built himself. It's a gaming computer, so it works really well for like editing videos and things like that. I don't know if I said it, but this desk is from IKEA. So my chair that I got is from HomeGoods, nonetheless. HomeGoods has all of the amazing little chairs. It is pink velvet, and then it has the, oh dang it, I can't remember what this is called right now, the push-in buttons, whatever, and then it has this detailed all around the backside, which I really liked. And then moving on, this little lamp is from IKEA as well. It was originally like 50 bucks. I got it on sale for 20, and I just liked it because it reminded me of Pixar. So it's really cute. Can turn it on when I'm doing my homework. This pineapple, I've had it for years. You guys have probably seen that in the back of my videos like a year ago, and that's from Hobby Lobby. For this wall, I have 3 frames coming in from Golden Interior. It's a store that I found on Instagram, so I'm hoping it's not a scam because they are so freaking cute. So I'm going to be adding 3 there. And then lastly, on this side, my little plant here, this cute little guy is from HomeGoods, and it was $60. I originally bought it for the downstairs area, but the cats have no chill and they have just been tearing it up like you saw in the intro of this video. So they'll knock it down and then like the leaves start to curl. So I need to go in with some hot water because hot water will fix that, and just wipe it and reorganize it and bend the leaves how I want them to bend, because as you can see, this one's like a little cockeyed from being knocked over so many times. But yeah, so my desk area is complete and I am so satisfied with how this looks. I cannot wait again for those 3 posters. I am still looking for like a rug to put on this side. So as I continue to add things into this room, I will show you, but for now I'm obsessed. It looks really cute. I love this basket detail. Oh, I didn't say this basket and these 2 blankets, you can see they're so soft. These are from HomeGoods. The basket was only $19.99, and then the blankets each were $16.99. So yeah, I was like, what a steal. That looks cute right there. These are from IKEA. I don't know if I mentioned that. IKEA has a lot of cute vases. They had like this like off-white one or a pink one, and since I decided that my theme in this room is going to be pink, I chose that. Okay, and then moving on to this side, don't judge me, it's not the prettiest, I'm still working on it. Excuse you, ma'am. We're on set, you need to be quiet back there. Okay, so I have this really long mirror that Jason got me from Walmart, and to be honest, I don't really like it. I don't like the dark frame. I'm not into like the dark frame stuff. For my rooms, I like bright white, so I plan on getting a tall one like this, the vanity bulbs. But this is my desk from IKEA. Down below, that's like all my makeup palettes. Lilo, see, this is what I mean. And then she comes and attacks the leaves. Get out of here. This is not a jungle for you. Bye. I'm gonna lock you out. Come on, you're gonna get out. Bad girl. Where was I? So I don't have like the proper storage for my palettes, and I honestly feel like since I'm not able to see them, I don't use them as much. So down here I have 4 clear containers from the Container Store, and this one houses my foundations, this one houses my blushes and bronzers, which I have so many of. This one down below is all highlighters, whether they're liquid or powder. And then this one is primers, concealers, and BB creams, everything else. So I wouldn't say that this is like the most practical type of storage. It's very cluttered, but it is what it is for now. It doesn't bother me. This down here is all of my samples from the Derm Store, which I have another box here. Basically, it's called the Beauty Fix. You get a box a month. It's a subscription box of really good skincare. So a lot of this I don't use. And I actually canceled my subscription box yesterday because I'm not really using these products. This is my trash can. And then of course my brushes, more brushes. This is from Hobby Lobby and it's a few years old, but it honestly, it's just not for me anymore. The products in here get really heavy and then the drawers break, and I don't like it. So I'm planning on getting the white IKEA ones, and then this is a whole different ballgame. I have lights over here, books for my nursing school test, whatever, cameras, like just clutter. So I'm gonna go through all of that. But yeah, that is like the completed beauty room, besides the mirror that I want and then a rug. So now we're gonna move on to the downstairs because the console table that I have over there is way too cute. Come on. Okay, so this is the entryway to our house, and I absolutely love the way that it came out. Originally, Jason didn't want to do anything with this area just because he doesn't want to hang anything on the walls. What is that? Ew, it's a fucking bug. What do I do? Okay, so I got a napkin and I put some like cleaner on it, and I'm so scared. Ew, it moved. Ew, it moved. I didn't even get him. Ew. Jason originally didn't want to do anything with this area. He didn't want to like hang anything on the walls. He's so against hanging things on the walls. He doesn't want to create holes. But honestly, I want to decorate my house how I want to decorate it. So, yeah, I did. So let's go ahead and get started with the door. So first off, we have these little bells. These are from Michael's, and it's from Christmas time if you can't tell. But I just like to leave it on there because we can hear when the door opens and closes, so it's perfect. And then let's start with the biggest piece of everything, which is this console table. It is so gorgeous. I don't know if you can tell, but it's like a gray washed wood, and the details on here are so amazing. This little cutie is from Amazon, and I believe I paid $129.99 for it. I had to assemble it myself, but I ordered it. It came in like a week because I didn't have Prime at the time, and I've just been obsessed with it. There's a coffee table that matches it and a side table for like the couch that matches it as well, so I think I'm gonna get that. This mirror, hello, big circle mirror, is from HomeGoods, and I paid $99.99 for it. I just felt like either a mirror in this area or some pictures would be key, but I love the way that this mirror came out because we can look at ourselves before we leave. It's just, I don't know, it's the presentation of it all I really love. This sign here, it says let's stay in, or you can flip it, not like that. Or you can turn it like that and it says let's go out. So I'm gonna leave it on let's go out because we are going out tonight, and I got this from Target, and I believe it was like $16.99, not too sure, but I will try and find everything and leave them linked down below. This candle, it's not supposed to be here, but I lit it the other day and I just set it here so it like smelled good when you walked in. Again, Bath and Body Works. I love Bath and Body Works. This basket is for like keys, so when you come inside you just drop your keys in here and then, you know, go relax. And this is from HomeGoods. I believe it was like $8.99. I was looking for one that was, oh my goodness, a little bit shorter, but I couldn't find one. This cute little thing is from HomeGoods as well. And I like the basket to it. It's like a concrete basket. It's really cute. We have a set of dominoes. Not like we play dominoes, but if anybody comes over and they know how, we can definitely play. This book is from HomeGoods as well. This is the Kennedy years, and I would like to mention that John F. Kennedy was one of my favorite presidents. So this is a book about his years as president, his years, just all his pictures. It's really amazing, just different years and dates of things that happened. And so, I don't know, when I saw this, I felt some type of way, like I needed to get it. I kind of like debated it for a while, but I was like, you know what, John F. Kennedy is my favorite president, so I would like to leave that displayed in the house. And then I am waiting on some more books from Amazon to come in, so stay tuned for those. This cute little lighthouse lantern is from HomeGoods as well, and it is a self-timer candle, so like at 7 o'clock p.m. it turns on, which is really great. This basket is from HomeGoods as well, and it's matching to the other one. I have to be careful though because the cats attack these like crazy. It's so insane. And then lastly for this side, I need to get like some carpet tape or something because the cats, they just go ham. But this is from Target, and originally before I purchased it, I photoshopped it in to see how it would look, and I thought it was one that just went like along the door, but it was actually like a long rug, and the more that I look at it, the more that I like the way that it came out. So this is my recently renovated, recently furnished entryway, and I really love the way that it came out. Okay, so the last thing that I want to show you in my little furnishing, whatever this is this coffee nook area that I am obsessed with. I'm not finished with it because I don't know what else I want to do to it yet, but this is what we have for now. So I got this cute little letterboard that you can write in whatever you want, and so I put all men should make coffee because, well, make coffee, the Bible says Hebrews, and if you don't know about the Bible, Hebrews is in the Bible, so I don't know, it's kind of like a little funny joke. My boyfriend kind of thought it was like stupid funny, but I liked it. And you can switch it out whenever you want, but for now we're going to keep that. That is from HomeGoods. I got these two little canisters. These are each from a store out here in Vegas called At Home, and this one is for coffee, so there is coffee grounds inside. And this one is for sugar, and I don't really drink sugar, but I thought that it was like essential for the coffee bar, so I got it. And we just put cube sugars in there because it makes it just a little bit easier to grab cube sugars than it is to actually spoon regular sugar. And then I put it in this cute little wooden I guess box, and this is from HomeGoods. I don't remember how much I paid for it, but I know it wasn't that expensive. My coffee machine, this is from like Walmart. The Keurig, this was a gift from my mom years ago. She gave it to my sister and my sister doesn't drink Keurig coffee, so I got to bring it home to Vegas. And then we have Jason's side over here. He is a big time whiskey bourbon drinker, so we just have his whiskeys and bourbon set up. He recently, so he's been a Jack Daniels guy for years, and he recently started to branch out and try different things. So he has his bottle of Woodford and then his bottle of Knob Creek. And when we get our kitchen table, we plan on making like a little bar area because he likes to drink and his friends come over and drink with him. So he has this displayed because it's just cute. But yeah, that is gonna wrap up my little decoration haul for you guys. I wanted to get on here and show you guys a little bit of how the house has been turning out, because I know that I've been saying it for a while now, but we've moved and it's taking us some time to furnish it, but it's coming along. Jason didn't want to furnish it at first, so when I furnish it, I feel like things are starting to come together, because if I don't do it, it's never gonna happen. So thank you so much for watching till the end. If you did, give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down below what was your favorite in this video. I have to say that the #1 thing that I'm obsessed with right now is the beauty room and the little basket with the throws in it. I don't know why, but that just, I'm obsessed with it. So please don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks so much for the wait. Thanks for waiting and sticking it out with me. Never goes unnoticed. I've been wanting to film for a while now, but I'm back. So let's just keep these videos coming. Okay, that was weird. Okay, bye guys.